Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I just got back from my hot girl walk. I'm trying this new 75 hotter situation, something that I found on TikTok. I thought it was really cool. I was like, you know what? I want to be a part of this. And so I just got back from my 10,000 step walk. Like, hello, who is she? I'm nasty. I look atrocious. But I thought that now would be the perfect time to share this box with you that came in from Influenster. And I'm so sorry, but I do not know how to pronounce this. Like Cerulean, 6 degrees. I don't know. I'm so sorry. This is the word that I'm dealing with. I did look it up to try to learn how to pronounce it before I come on video, but I failed. But I did find out that it is a house brand for Bluemercury, which is a beauty, not like makeup beauty, but like soaps and like lathery and oils and that kind of thing, right? And for like home scents. And so I found out all that information while I was trying to figure out how to pronounce this. And so I thought it was really cool, and I've already taken a peek at what's inside here, and it's all like scrubs and oils, and I think there's a candle in here, and I'm really excited. And I thought that right now, after my hot girl walk, this would be the perfect time to get into the box and test out these products. If you're interested in finding out about these products, go ahead and keep watching. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button while you're at it, because I mean, it's free, and I mean, just do it. Thanks. Without further rambling, let's get into this box. So we open it up, and these are like full-size products. How cool is this, right? Like, I think Influencer just keeps getting better and better and better. Also, if you haven't signed up with Influencer yet, what are you doing with your life? I've been with Influencer for like 7-ish, maybe 8 years at this point. I love Influencer. I will link a sign up. Everything is free. Don't have to worry about that. Just click that link, sign up, answer the questions, do the surveys. They don't ask you for any money. Never have. And I'm pretty sure they never will. So first up, we have the Opal Aurora Body Lather. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay. Ooh, that smells so good. What is that? It's almost like it's like a perfume. It's a pretty strong scent, so if you don't like scents, there's your first indication that this is probably not for you. But it's not bad. What is that? That is so nice. Like, it smells really, really good. So a body lather, is that a soap? I don't know what a body lather is. Then we have a honeyed halo body oil. Again, really nice. Let's see. Ooh, very similar smell. Oh, that one's almost like a fruit. Like, it smells very similar to the other one, but I think it has a little rose in there. Is that what I'm smelling? Okay, so the bottles actually look really nice, and they look like glass, but they are definitely plastic, which I've also learned through trying to figure out how to pronounce this word. These are supposed to be, or they were created so that it's more affordable, like luxury luxury products with a lower price point. Next up is the Divine Glow Body Polish. That is a huge size. Let's see. Okay, it's got the little, oh. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, so that's like a, is it a balm? Is that what that is? this one's not the best. Like it's you can still tell that it smells similar to the other ones, but so what is a body polish? Is that like an exfoliator? Is that a scrub? Is that what that means? And then last but not least, oh, and I like how they didn't put a logo on it. Oh, ooh, that is glass. Nice. Oh, look at that. Nice. Okay, that smells really good. And here we are, an hour later, feeling so wonderful, refreshed, relaxed. I feel amazing. I think that this new line is awesome. Thank you so much, Influenster and Cerulean 6 degrees. Again, I'm so sorry. I know I'm probably saying that completely wrong. But thank you guys so much for sending me this package. It was wonderful. I still have the candle burning. It smells really nice in my bathroom. The lather was really good. It felt silky soft in my hands. It lathered like a dream. The body polish was awesome. It was a great exfoliator. My skin felt really, really smooth and soft, like baby soft afterwards. Then after my bath, I doused my body in the oil. It was so luxurious feeling. I give these products a 10 out of 10, and y'all know I am going to tell you the truth about everything, no matter what. And I definitely believe that this is a great line. It's also, I don't think I mentioned it is cruelty-free, vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free. It's got like, it is like clean from all of the claims. It is extremely clean. It doesn't have any of the nasty toxins. Thank you so much, Influenster and Cerulean, for sending over this package. And that's all I have for you today, and I will see y'all later. Bye.